Good evening, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today is Sunday evening, and the market's going to open tomorrow morning. I want to talk about LPA. So, guys, you see, this stock was moved. The last bottom was around 10. So we are around 17 days since this stock touches $14. You see this trend line, guys, and we extended this line here. Most of times is telling you something. So we are trading between $14 and in fact $14 and 18. That's been accepted like a resistance, and so sometimes this is the very good consultation on stock. You see this guy is still ranging here, and I say this must be good and nice consultation about the stock. So let's jump into the technicals and see what are. So you see over here, guys, simple moving average also is straight away. We are on that lens, and I would like to open like this to see. So guys, this is a 1 hour chart. It's explain everything over here. We close this Friday over here, and the market is going to open tomorrow. We are going to see more. And when you go to 4 hours charts, I said on last video, when the stocks above here is bullish, when it's down here is, when it came below is bearish. But I've already, in the last 7 days, this is where we are consolidated. And the cool thing, or the nice thing, see the last candles on Friday here significantly is showing some good news. We close above here, and what's going to happen tomorrow, and I will go to we are going to talk about this candlestick which has been developed over here. This guy is bullish, and again let me go to see in the last 3 hours chart. So the 3 hour chart is going to explain. You see over here is almost breaking out, right? And when you come in the last 2 hours, because we are breaking down, we close with a tall green candlestick. You see this candle is the same that we circle, and we came on 1 hour that you saw. We are on this day we have some cool volume which closes, which is some more buyers buy on Friday, and maybe this week is going to be bullish. And you see 45 minutes, the same thing, some bullishness has been already developed. And when you come further like 15 minutes, you see the same thing over here. We have above this resistance, and we might be pumping on tomorrow. It's depends how market will open. Remember, guys, some weakness on market right now, and we are going to explain another technicals. And today I'm going to use EMA, 15 minutes EMA. You see, and again the same thing. I will go to start with 45 minutes, because I've said already this is what we need to see. And the 45 minutes here is going to is telling you exactly. It's telling you we need to see stock closing above 24.4. That's where we need to see the stock closing to be more bullish, to call bullish. So if you are an economist, you need to weigh the stock. You see, guys, the bullish, and then when stock came bearish, when stock came below this price, which is 121. If you have been watching from here, you have been so more bearish. But now we see, and now because we are going now straight to 1 hour, and 1 hour is telling you something. This is very important. If you like to buy, 1 hour is telling you like we are on the right track. We are, because we close 16.45, and EMA here is telling you we are on the, we close above that area, and we might be seeing, guys, remember this thing is moving very fast. We might see another huge candlestick which going to 24, and the next resistance now will be 24. And when you come on 15 minutes, the same thing I've already explained. This chart is always same together, we close above. And again, if you need to see more about the stocks, and another thing is called the moving average. This is more perfect. So when you go on this moving average over here on 4 hours chart, it's telling you we need to reach around 43, and that will be our next resistance, because we started target targets over here some few days ago. We came back down, we break here, and then we didn't stay, we close back, and then we trade. When you push it to 180, we went in 4 hours. It happened to be our resistance. And when you break down like for 1 hour, so guys, this is when if someone want to buy and above here on 1 hour charts, but for me likely I'm always using 45 minutes, because 45 minutes always is giving you the day, everything what's happening on the day. So since guys we have been not yet breaking even on 45 here, and this one is more economist. If you don't want to make any loss, so it's going to tell you more. So above 16 or 17, the cool 17, 0.17, we break and close that above that area. That is very bullish. And when you come something like 15 minutes, it's a different case. We are above that area. So that's why I'm telling you on Friday things was changing. So but remember the first day, some days we came and then we stayed this resistance around $17, and we need to see more. The final thing that I want to show you today is a simple thing. It's always telling you support and resistance. So we are using 15 minutes. It's telling you we close on the resistance, which is 16, and the support was 15.87. The next resistance, which is we are going to go tomorrow, 17.56, 18, 19, and the highest will be 21. And let's see what's going on 45 minutes. I told you I like to use 45 minutes. On 45 minutes here, things get different. So it's still updating. Maybe on 45 minutes is telling something different. Yeah, on 45 minutes is telling us that the resistance will be 160. Do you believe that one? But let's go to 30 minutes. 30 minutes the same thing, and 15 minutes now we are going to use the range between 15 minutes, and we are likely to touch $21 before more upside. So any news? Let's see if you have any news over here. So we have no news, because I remember the last day I talked about the stock is when stock was yeah, so we don't have any news, guys. Thank you so much. I will go to update the more video tomorrow evening, but be safe. Let's wait and see. Bye.